Summer is a time of change.
Higher than the birds up in the trees, further than the human eye can see.
It creeps on all the parts of yourself that you put away, that you forgot or tried to. It penetrates every part of you until you feel it, until you see it, and let go.
As we watch our love grow,
And then it bursts open and everything gets crazy. Summer can be seen like a little life when you do different things in a different environment. It certainly feels like that for me, living in Latvia. All the greenery and warm weather suddenly appears, and every year it feels like a new beginning, like a celebration of love, life, and creativity. I need to practice more on that. And in that life, you can take on different roles. For example, I like to be a gardener. And although plants usually have freedom to roam freely in our garden, sometimes it's necessary to come in and slightly change their course of life. During this time, being outdoors turns into this almost like a basic need of mine that I have to satisfy every day. Perhaps it's because in the back of my mind I know that this will pass in a few months and turn into this memory of warmer and more exciting days. Summer is also berry time, and berry time in our household is synonymous with jam time. We used to make more than 100 jars of different jams for winter, but now we prefer to freeze a big part of what we grow and what we find in summer. Yet even if less than before, berry and fruit jam is still an important part of our preparation for winter, and it's so relaxing to make. It's so unusual to be on camera again, but oh well. I wanted to tell you about the summer solstice. It's a national holiday here in Latvia, and one of the traditions that people do on this holiday is that they make flower crowns. And you can also make crowns from oak branches and other tree branches. You can save your flower crown until next year, and on the next summer solstice you have to burn it so that no bad luck comes to you. And because I wasn't here on this year's summer solstice, I will burn mine now, and because it's still summer, I think nothing bad is going to happen, so let's do that.